Dear students and parents, Lokneti Dr. Balasaheb V.K. Patil, Padma Bhushan awardee, Pravara Rural Education Society, Pravara Nagar, has established Pravara Science Academy in December 2018. Pravara Science Academy has wide experience in running the foundation courses for students of classes 8, 9th and 10th. This course will help the students to understand the basics in subjects of mathematics and science to face the competitive world. I am Professor Sasi Priya, Faculty of Mathematics in Pravara Science Academy, would like to share with you the details of various scholarship and competitive examinations. National Talent Search, which is otherwise known as NTS, is a national level scholarship examination at secondary level to identify and recognize students' high intellect and academic talent. It is one of the most prestigious examinations in India, especially for class 10 students. NTS is conducted every year in two levels. Stage 1 state level conducted by Maharashtra state government and stage 2 national level conducted by NCERT. There are two papers for stage 1 examination. Paper 1 is of mental ability test, which is otherwise known as MAT, comprises of 100 multiple choice questions for 100 marks in reasoning and critical thinking skills. Paper 2 is a scholastic aptitude test known as SAT, which also consists of 100 multiple choice questions for 100 marks in general science, social studies, and mathematics. Students who secure 80% of marks or above, depending on the cutoff as per reservation in stage 1 examination, are eligible for stage 2 national level examination. Students who qualify stage 2 examination are eligible for NTS scholarship. Under the present scheme, the scholarship is awarded to the candidates for pursuing courses in sciences and social sciences up to doctorate level and in professional courses like medicine, engineering, and law up to second degree level. National Means Cum Merit Scholarship, which is otherwise known as NMMS, is a centrally sponsored scholarship scheme for 8th standard students. The main objective of this examination is to financially support the economically weaker sections of the society. This examination is conducted in two sections, namely Mental Ability Test MAT and Scholastic Aptitude Test SAT. MAT comprises of 90 multiple choice questions from reasoning and critical thinking skills. SAT comprises of 90 multiple choice questions from science, social science and mathematics. Each paper is of 90 marks and the exam duration is 90 minutes. Students who qualify the written examination will receive rupees 1000 per month from class 9 till class 12. Next one is the pre-secondary scholarship examination, which is conducted by Maharashtra State Council of Examination, Pune, for class 8 students. This scholarship is awarded to the meritorious students based on their exam scores and merit. There are 75 multiple choice questions and each carries 2 marks. Paper 1 is of first language and mathematics and paper 2 is of third language and intelligence test. The time duration is of 90 minutes for each paper. Other than these, students of classes 8th, 9th and 10th can appear for MTSC and Olympiad examinations. Maharashtra Talent Search Examination, which is otherwise known as MTSC, is a center of excellence to search for talented students. appearing for MTSE has proved to be useful for the preparation of National Talent Search examination. There will be two written papers and the examination is conducted on the same day for 3 hours. Examination will be conducted in two sections, that is, Mental Ability Test MAT consists of 100 multiple choice questions for 100 marks and Scholastic Aptitude Test SAT, which also consists of 100 multiple choice questions for 100 marks. Olympiad examinations. Every year, Science Olympiad Foundation conducts the International Mathematics Olympiad IMO and National Science Olympiad NSO. Both these examinations are conducted at two levels consisting of 50 multiple choice questions for 60 marks. For IMO, the first level competition is from the sections Logical Reasoning, Everyday Mathematics and Achievers section. Whereas in second level competition, it is from Mathematics and Achievers section. In NSO, the first level competition is from the sections Logical Reasoning, Science and Achievers section. And for the second level competition, it is from Science and Achievers section. At school level, the top 3 rank holders in a class will be awarded a gold, silver and bronze medal. And the top 25 rank holders of class wise and zone wise are eligible for second level competition. At zonal level, a cash prize of rupees 5000 is awarded along with gold medal and certificate of zonal excellence. At international level, a cash prize of rupees 50,000 is awarded along with gold medal and certificate of outstanding performance. On behalf of Pravara Science Academy, our panel of expert teachers will assist you in the preparation of the above said examination through series of online lectures. Hope you understand the importance of these scholarship and competitive examinations. Be safe at home and enjoy e-learning. Thank you.